Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm here at Countryside Dodge to tell you about our post-lockdown service specials. The lockdown has affected everyone in different ways. Individually, we have spent more time washing our hands and staying in close contacts with our household than we thought we ever could. It has been a difficult year this past year. We here at Countryside have had to face it along with you. The automotive industry has taken a huge hit this last year, but despite that, we want you to keep being safe, and we want to tell you how much we care about your vehicles running, but we do care more about you staying healthy, and we don't want you to run the risk of becoming sick. We have always and will always be committed to our customers and serving you, no matter what those hurdles are. So we want to thank our loyal customers who have remained with us during these ups and downs. We're offering several post-lockdown specials to make sure that you know that we are thankful for your service. We're currently offering $10 off Mopar beam wiper blades when installed by one of our certified technicians. And we're also offering for you to save the tax on any OE, Magnetti Morelli, or Mopar brakes that are installed by our certified factory-trained technicians. We want to thank you for keeping Essex County safe and healthy, and for more information, please call us at Countryside Dodge or visit us at our website, countryside dodge jeep ram.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.